It's easy to see the why behind sending video emails. They're attention-grabbing and see a noticeable increase in engagement over a standard text-only email. But the how is somewhat less simple. Sending a video via email without the help of a tool like Covideo is more challenging than some might think. If you've ever given it a try yourself, you know what a time-consuming, step-heavy process it is to send just one video. A process that is even less ideal when you need to send multiple videos efficiently and at scale. That said, with some time and effort, it can be done. Let's take a step-by-step look at how to make and send a video email on your own. First things first, record your video. Usually, the easiest way to do this is by using your smartphone, but you can try your computer's native webcam app as well. All right, that wasn't that tough. Time to send it. Assuming it's under your email provider's size limit, usually between 10 and 25 megabytes, you could send it as an attachment. But keep in mind that attachments can seem suspicious, and if you're not in the recipient's address book, chances are very high of the email being caught in spam. Plus, it looks unprofessional. As an alternative, you can upload your video to a hosting service like YouTube or Vimeo. You'll need to set up an account to do this. After you've waited for your video to upload, change the settings to make it unlisted. Unlisted means your video will not show up in any search results or on your channel. So, only those who have the specific link can watch the video. Quick side note, some video hosting platforms are blocked by certain companies and organizations for security reasons, which could keep your recipients from being able to view your video. Okay, time to add your video to an email. You could just copy the link into the body of the email. However, this may be another issue as many people are wary of clicking on a raw link, especially from an outside email, as it brings the potential for a security breach. So, to increase your click-through rates, we recommend taking a screenshot of your video and adding the image to your email as a thumbnail. If you want to add some extra pizzazz, you can turn your video into a GIF using one of the handful of tools out there. Then, hyperlink the image or GIF to the URL for your video. Lastly, add your recipient, subject line, and a short message to accompany your video. Then click send. You won't know when your recipient has watched the video or how much of it they've seen, but you can log into your hosting service account from time to time to check if it's received any views. Now, let's take a look at how to send personalized video with Covideo. First, record your video through Covideo's platform. When done, click Quick Share. Paste the video into your message and send it off. When your recipient watches your video, you'll get real-time notifications and in-depth analytics so you can track the effectiveness of your new video strategy. With Covideo, we take care of the heavy lifting for you. From recording and sending to hosting and tracking, we streamline the otherwise cumbersome process of sending personalized videos.